Today I'm going to show you how I transformed this neglected outdoor patio into a beautiful outdoor oasis. So I have been neglecting to clean this patio for a number of seasons, and now it is dirty. Check out how nasty this is. I've got all this mold, I've got all this stuff growing in here, so it's time to clean this up. So it's gonna take a really powerful machine. We're gonna use this guy right here. This is a Greenworks Pro. Notice the word Pro. Pro means upgraded quality and like just parts. This is rated at 2,500 PSI at 2 gallons per minute. Now you're gonna need that extra gallons per minute to really do this cleaning in an efficient manner, and that's what I wanna do. I don't wanna spend all day cleaning this thing up. So we're gonna open this thing up, we're gonna test it out on this patio, see how well it cleans, and hopefully after that, it's gonna be party time. So if you're looking for the convenience of an electric powered pressure washer, which I definitely recommend, who wants to mess around with a gas powered unit? This is probably gonna be one of the most powerful you can buy. Now I'll have a link to this right down below, as well as this little attachment right down below. Check that out. Now, just so you know, this pressure washer sells for about $300. You can get it on sale. Hopefully I'll find you the best price there. Go there to get it. All right, guys, so I've got a ton of work that I'm gonna be sharing with you this spring and summer. You definitely wanna tune in, so make sure you subscribe, hit that bell, so you get all my notifications. And when you're done with that, guys, don't worry. I'm not gonna leave you hanging, because there's a great video for you right there. Go check it out.